morning, good morning, good morning. And thank you again for joining us on this edition of A Cup of Joe with the Adonis Agency. And this morning I wanted to talk to you guys about everything we see and hear on the internet. We have to be very cautious to the type of information, the type of advice we take from the internet. And I'm talking about, most recently, I saw this thing with, it talks about in reference to the stimulus check to take $150 to form a corporation and then get a grant of $5,000 that you don't have to pay back. Ladies and gentlemen, if it was that easy and if it was that simple, then why aren't everyone business owners? Why isn't everybody doing this? When who has $5,000 to give and we don't have to pay back? So we have to be mindful of the information that we're putting out there and the information that we're receiving. It's not all that it's cracked up to be. Not everything you hear and you see on Facebook is true. Please do your research. This is why it's important to have a trusted advisor. It's important to have a trusted accountant that you could go over your taxes, a trusted attorney to go over legal ramifications of things, and a trusted financial professional to help you grow your assets and help you protect the assets that you've earned, right? Don't be caught off guard by the quick get-rich schemes or the quick money schemes, because they don't really last, right? If you ever have any doubt, ever have any concerns, please don't hesitate to give my office a call, 631-390-8568. We might not know all the answers, but we'll help guide you to where to go to get the correct answers. Again, we're also always here to help. 631-390-8568. Give my agency a call. Have a great day, guys. And again, let's make 2021 the best year yet. Bye.